what is the topic today? How you can become a commission agent, because he is now running his business as a commission agent last 20-30 years and very successful. So you can get to know what he is doing and how you can become a commission agent in this international business. So yeah, sir, unmute your volume. Mr. Bashir, unmute.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So we are just starting. So welcome, sir, on the panel. Mr. Bashir, he's from Bangladesh, and they are running Shadow International, which is his company, and Advanced Trading Corporation. So they are running two companies successfully, and their scope of work is India, Bangladesh, Europe, Korea, Japan. So they're running their business all over the world as a successful commission agent, and their industry they are working is power plants, fertilizers, compressors, water mills, and so a lot of industrial sectors, and they're working with so sorry, unmute your volume, sir. Yeah, it's okay. So
Thank you, Sushma.
yeah.
Thank you, Sushma, for your nice introduction.
Yeah.
Actually, I was started my business in the year 1984 as
Okay.
a trading representative company of the foreign suppliers.
Okay.
My maximum foreign supplier are from Japan, Germany, Korea, China, India, and so some other countries. Actually, I am working in the mainly in the power plant and fertilizer industries.
Yeah.
I was introduced with Sosma more than 10 years back when
Yeah.
she was working in Kirloskar Neometric.
Yes.
And still I am also representing the Kirloskar India, Pahalpur Cooling Tower India, and one big group KSB Pumps Limited India in
Okay.
Pune, that the headquarter in Pune in India. And last year I have already executed more than $2 million US business from Bangladesh for KSB India.
Oh, great.
And this year also, by this time already I have received nearly $1 million.
Oh,
And
nice.
another 1 and 2 is under process within the COVID-19 pandemic situation also. Some
Okay.
power plant still this morning I am talking.
Oh,
Actually,
nice.
before make decision, what type of representation you would like to do it. If you go to the machinery, then you will go to the machinery sector. If you go the other sector, then you can go the other sector. First of all, you should having the required information regarding your product which you would like to marketing.
Yeah.
Without your marketing knowledge, you cannot represent any foreign company.
Yes.
By the by, today one Japanese company gave me the telephone call regarding the one export business to our Shahjalal fertilizer factory. Actually, they are going to shift the control valve. Now they cannot contact with them due to the all offices closes. Then Mr. Raghu give me a telephone call. Sorry, একটু পরে ফোন করতেছি তোকে। Mr. Raghu gave me a telephone call from Bombay. Then I guided him how he will handle the shipment inspection and other. That is why every foreign supplier required a local representative. If you would like to export anything to Bangladesh, you don't know that the customer.
Yeah.
So many customers will give you the paying information.
Yeah.
And even they wants to purchase from you on credit basis.
Yeah.
You cannot trust them. If
Yes.
you having a local agents, you can check his profile and business credential.
Okay.
It is necessary for every international business. A
Yeah.
local counterpart should be required.
Okay. So
This is nothing.
Yeah.
Sorry,
So
if you,
just yeah, I want to ask you for in on behalf of my students that how anyone can start his commission agent business. So how the procedure will
yes,
started, how they can gain the
yeah,
trust.
details, company details.
No,
Yes, if you,
no. I want to ask you how anyone can start his commission agent business like you have started.
okay, when you will start, first of all, you will select a product.
Okay.
How I work, I am searching the existing supplier names.
Mm.
If they need any spare parts, as say the Kirloskar.
Okay.
Kirloskar supplied the compressor through the EPC contractor.
Right.
When the service and spare parts is required, at that time, the customer don't know how to communicate with how to communicate with them for spare parts.
Okay.
In that time, in that case, you will earlier contact with the machine manufacturer
Mm.
who supplied the main equipment. You
Okay.
will go to the website and get their contact details,
Okay.
and then you inform them you would like to act as their local agents in
Okay.
Bangladesh,
Okay.
and to promote their business, you will give the all necessary support. And
Okay.
you will like to initiate one inquiry from one customer, then you will give the name. And
Okay.
you will give all the support to them, then he will must agree that he
Yeah.
will cooperate with.
Yeah. Yeah.
In this way, he will start the communication.
Okay. Okay. So likewise, you are communicating with Indian companies,
You
Japanese,
will introduce
Korean.
yourself first. First of all, you will introduce yourself
Okay.
to the manufacturer or
Yeah.
any supplier or any exporter that
Okay.
you would like to to serve them in the country.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is
Okay.
the way to making the start the correspondence.
Okay.
Then you will select the commission basis. It may be the 5%, maybe the 4%, maybe the 10%. This is the item wise it depend. If it is commodity, then it is going to the less. If
Okay.
it is the machinery spares, it is going high.
Okay.
If it
Okay.
is international, commission is negotiable, but it is not a problem at all.
Okay. So what is the minimum and maximum commission anyone can take?
Minimum maybe the in a commodity item. If you are selling the iron and steel, you get only the 0.5% or 1%,
Okay. Okay.
because this is the commodity item, bulk item. In
Yeah.
the
Right.
machinery cases, it is up to the 10%, the
Okay.
Kirloskar also and other
Okay. Okay.
company. In machinery and spare parts, it
Okay.
is the higher,
Yeah.
because
Okay.
this is
Okay.
not the commodity item regular, it is not used.
Yes. Yes.
Even after 1 or 2 years, everybody required the spare parts for the
Okay.
overhauling or maintenance.
Yes.
But
Yes.
commodity regular you will supply.
Okay. 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 And if you are getting 1%, still the order value is large, and that is why 1% is also bigger.
Yes, 1% is okay. Is water value is large,
Yeah.
then 1% also okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. So
If you asking more than 1% for the wheat supply,
yeah.
never,
Never.
nobody will
Yes.
agree
No.
for that. Even half
Yeah. Yeah.
percent.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If you would like to supply the soybean oil, you cannot asking for 1%.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can go even for the 0.5%.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It is flexible.
Yeah, yeah, right, right, right. So likewise we have seen that how the orders will be get. You go to the suppliers website and you will represent yourself, tell about yourself what you can do. So just I want to ask you, what is your role as a commission agent once the supplier place the order? So what is your role as a commission agent between buyer and seller?
No, role is there. For follow up your business, for LC opening, for LC payment,
Okay.
and upon receiving your goods, he will physically inspect the after receiving the goods. Because sometimes customer claim that goods is not okay,
Yeah, right.
broken or damaged.
Hmm,
If
hmm.
the importer open the package in front of you, you can take the photographs if
Okay.
anything damaged. This is
Okay.
the your job. Or sometime you agent go to the door of the new customer for pushing your product.
Okay.
This is also their job.
Okay, okay. So bridging the gap between both of them.
Yes, both of them. Yeah, this is
Okay.
vice versa.
Okay, okay, okay. So anything it is on your account, any risk part is on any in your account? If anything happens between buyer and seller, the goods are not at quality, payment
Line
issues
is not
are there.
line is not clear.
Okay, okay.
Please
Yeah,
repeat again.
yeah. Any risk part on your account between in this transaction?
Commission how transacted?
No, risk part,
After,
risk part,
agent part.
risk,
After the
RISK.
shipment,
Huh?
after the shipment, the exporter will remit the commission to our company account. After upon receive the LC payment, not before that.
Okay, so when okay, so we can take this question that you will get payment when the supplier get payment, and then they will remit your payment.
Yeah, right, right.
Okay.
No, yes, not before that.
No, okay,
After
not before
getting
that.
the supplier's payment, then we will get the commission.
Okay, okay, okay. So I want to ask you, what is the risk part in your role? Risk part. Any type of
What is my
risk.
risk?
Yeah.
Risk for me that if anybody give me, don't remit the commission. This is the one-time business.
Okay, 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 okay.
Maybe doing this, but big company not doing this. A small company may be doing this.
Okay,
But
okay.
business always should be the ethical.
Yeah, right. That is the necessary thing. Okay, and
The business should be the doing in ethical manner.
yeah, that's correct. Actually, we should do that. Okay.
Actually, the commission, you have the always you have to the in the market update information. Which item you would like to represent? You having the latest information of the market. Otherwise, nobody can help the supplier.
Yeah.
Commission
Right.
agent always give the present market situation.
Okay.
Then you will do this.
Okay. Okay.
I think that you can remember one supplier in Bangladesh having the so many offices and so many telephone number, but even he cannot receive the phone.
Yeah, right. That is necessary.
In Weisgant, you remember.
Okay. So that means we can say being a commission agent, we should have the information in hand, as a market updated information in hand, right?
Yes. Otherwise, why the exporter give you the commission?
Yeah.
Because
right.
you are giving some services to them.
Yeah.
That is the exporter give you the commission.
Yes.
Without doing any job, nobody can make you the payment.
Yeah, right. So just I want to ask you one question, right? What is the scope of this commission business?
Scope?
Yeah, scope of this commission agent business.
You are well aware that without local agent, as few companies are doing the business, they are having the representative office in several countries. Those having no representative office, they should giving the commission to the local agent for all necessary support and services. You know why the KSB giving the commission thousands of the dollar a year, 2, 3, 4 lakhs dollar per year. Why? Because they need the support and services here.
Okay, right. So as a commission agent, one student asked the question, is there any written agreement involved? Agreement?
Yes, it should be the written agreement. I have the written agreement with everybody.
Everybody.
It is the mention here the period of agency agreement, territory, product, and commission amount. Commission amount may be mentioned here. In my case, it is the fixed because I am selling the spare parts and pumps. In that case, my it is fixed. But
Okay.
commodity
Okay.
is flexible. You should mention in the your agreement.
Okay. Okay.
And this agreement should be the for a particular period, 2 years, 3 years,
Okay.
or it will be the after 2 years auto renewal,
Okay.
like this.
Okay. And one more question. If any of our student like want to develop his or any of business related to your sector, so you will be helpful to them.
Which sector they are would like to enter?
Yeah. So there are different.
Power plant or party?
No, there are different types of sectors they have. So we can connect you with the sectors details, and then we will discuss further how we can go ahead.
No, actually, you can give them my email ID. If they can send a short email, then I will reply them.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's we can do that, right? And what is your experience with respect to China, Korea, Japan, Europe?
Oh no, in Japan, in my whole life, Japan, Germany, and Europe is the number one because they are committed. If
Okay.
they committed you, give you the $2, they will give it. But even in USA, sometimes they deprive. In my cases, twice I have deprived from USA.
Okay. So mostly
When
they are
big
committed.
commission is coming, then they say said that you are not, you are terminated. You are not. We don't require your services.
Okay, okay.
You will give them only the 2% instead of 10%.
Okay.
This is happened in my case from USA case.
Okay, okay.
And in China case,
yeah,
one company don't give me the commission.
Okay, 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 okay. So there
I
are
closed them. I closed them. This 3 I closed.
Okay, okay. So there are positive and negative, both
Yeah.
experiences are there.
Yes, both experience should have.
Yeah,
You are
yeah.
ready for the both experience.
Yeah, yes.
You should check the credentiality of that company. If they are very multinational, they don't give it. They don't deprive you.
Okay.
But sometimes the small company doing this.
Okay.
Even in China, big company they're doing it. Said that $1,700 give you when we'll go to the Bangladesh. We shall give you.
Okay.
Actually, this is very small business.
Okay.
Only the my commission was $1,700.
Okay.
That is why I don't bother for that.
Yeah. So one more question, student want to ask that regarding the Bangladesh, how anyone can trust in LC part in Bangladesh?
LC.
Yeah, LC.
LC or NT?
LC. Like regarding Bangladesh, how
LC.
anyone? Yeah, LC. Anyone can trust on the LC part in Bangladesh?
LC.
Yeah.
Letter of credit. You are talking about letter of credit.
Yeah. Right.
Letter of credit is okay. If it is go through the schedule bank, then it is okay. But only the 2-3 bank is bad, not a good bank. You can see the bank.
Okay.
Which bank they are giving you the LC.
Okay.
This is also the service from you can get from the local agent. Local agent know which bank is good, which bank is bad.
Okay. So just I want to
check the bank through that.
Yeah. Okay. So one more question, like if anyone wants to do business with Bangladesh, what can be things need to be take care?
If one should start the business in Bangladesh.
Yeah, if anyone want to do business with Bangladesh, what are the things need to be take care?
No, when you would like to start the business with Bangladesh, what product? First, you should communicate with the importer. Those are importing your product.
Okay.
Or what product you would like to export from India? somebody should import from India. How much import from India? This type of data you should have it.
In the trade with Bangladesh, what points we should take care?
In the when you are starting Bangladesh,
Right.
you should be take care regarding the CIB report of the importer.
CIB.
Everybody having the CIB report.
CIB report. Okay.
Yeah, this is the if the CIB report is okay, then you can accept their LC.
Okay.
CIB report given from their nominating bank, actually.
Okay. That's good. And regarding your business, what is the biggest order you have done in your experience?
I have my biggest order is a $2 million US single order.
Oh, as your commission.
$2 million US business single order.
Oh, okay. That's great. And you have told right now CIB report. So where we can get that CIB report?
CIB report actually you can collect from their bank.
Okay.
They should give your bank can set the CIB report of that LC opening bank.